Just finished the gutter and flushing, including the down pipe. Here we go. Yep, it's very tricky in this corner, but I was able to do it. I don't care how tricky is it. Here we go. See in the corner and down the spout. Over on that side. Oops. Right there. That corner. Just put directly the flashing, the fish on top of the fisher board. Yeah, the flashing very tricky. Timber memory of the old fascia is too much crooked. Too bad, but yeah, I managed to do it. Make it straight. Right there. On the top of the one. And here. So yeah. And that's it. That's the job for the day. Thank you for watching.